Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Adobe Firefly to create generative assets. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by launching your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Adobe Firefly official website. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you have access to. After entering your email, click the Continue button. Check your inbox for a verification email from Adobe. Open the email and locate the verification link. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. You will be redirected to a registration form. Fill out the required details, such as your name and password. Make sure to create a strong password for security purposes. Once you've completed the form, review your information. After confirming everything is correct, click the Submit button. Next, you may need to accept the terms and conditions. Read through the terms, then check the agreement box. Proceed by clicking the Agree or Continue button. Now, you should be logged into your Adobe Firefly account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and features. Look for tutorials or guides that can help you understand the tools available. Make sure to explore the community forums for additional tips. You are now ready to start creating generative assets using Adobe Firefly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.